Hi friends, hi family. So today I'm gonna be cooking some rice with shrimp and beef. I already cut some onion to cook the beef and then some some garlic to cook the shrimp. And I'm gonna need a little bit of the onion for the rice too. So here we go. So here's the beef, and I'm going to season it with some black pepper and some cumin and some salt. I gotta get the salt. Okay, I got my salt and I sprinkled some. I put some cumin. Now I'm gonna put the pepper, and remember to open the right side so you don't put a bunch of it. Now I'm gonna put the heat up higher. Oh, and I'm gonna add some onions too. I'm also gonna make a salad because my husband, he's gonna wanna eat some meat when he comes home. And then I'm gonna make rice for the kids, like rice, and they'll eat a little bit of meat. They don't eat that much, and maybe some shrimp too. Maybe, I'm not sure. My daughter, she likes pepino, so I'll make some pepino too with the salad. So this is good. I'm gonna add the onion now. Added the onion. This is the rice that I have, and this is a 2-pound bag. I think I'm gonna make like 3 cups. So I already have the oil right here. I'm gonna add this little bit of onion, like that. And I'm gonna add 3 cups. Yeah. Oh, this is browning over here. So I'm gonna cover this and let it rest there. Now I gotta add the rice. I'm gonna do 3 cups. I'm going to add some salt. And I'm going to add some caldo de pollo. So there's a caldo de pollo. I put it on the top, like 1 tablespoon. Now I'm gonna stir this. I'm gonna lower the heat, and I'm gonna add some water. That was about, I would say, 5 cups of water. you want to add enough water, like in my other videos where I show you guys how to cook rice, is like you want to leave like this part of your finger where the line is, kind of like that much of water on the top. Maybe I would say half an inch or a quarter of an inch. You see how where the rice is, like right here, the rice is right there, and then the water is up here. So that much, you want it to be covered, okay? And then what I do is I let it boil. Like right now I'm gonna let it boil. I put the heat back up. I'm gonna let it boil. When it starts boiling, like it's starting, see the bubbles? When it starts boiling, it's all boiling, then I'll reduce the heat to low and cover it and cook it in low. So it's starting to boil. I'm gonna wait a few minutes so it can all be boiling. Okay, so you see how now it's all boiling? Now what I'm gonna do is lower it to the very, very lowest on low, and I'm gonna cover it. Move this little pot over, cover it, and then over here I took my beef out, put it in this bowl. Now I'm gonna make the shrimp. I put some butter. Okay, so I put butter in this pan and I have my shrimp in here now. I rinsed them out. They're from Costco too. They're really big shrimp. They're about £1.25. So I have butter in there. I'm gonna put some garlic. Get it all out. This is like 3 cloves of garlic. Pretty big cloves. Garlic. Some basil. I'm gonna put some parsley. Trying to open this. Okay, gotta be careful. Like I would say a teaspoon of each. And then some salt. A tablespoon of salt. And now I'm gonna stir this. Get a different pan. I'm gonna add the shrimp. I'm gonna do 2 lemons or 2 limes. this is oregano. Teaspoon of oregano, and now I'm gonna put this and the beef together, and then when we eat I can heat it up together. I gotta put it in this pan because when we eat I heat it up in the stove because we don't have a microwave. Our last microwave that we had broke and we just didn't want to replace it because we don't want to heat food up in the microwave. So I'm gonna put the shrimp here, and I'm gonna put the beef also right here. And then when I serve my family, when I serve the kids, my husband, if they want beef or shrimp, I can get it from right here. And then I'm gonna cover this up, and then I'm gonna show you the rice. Well, the rice is still the same. I think I'm just gonna turn it off now. Let me show you how it looks like. Get my spoon. So yeah, there's not any water left on the bottom. So it is done now. So now what I do is I turn it off, and with the little bit of heat that it still has, it'll just like soften up even more. So that's it, guys. This rice is super easy to cook. It doesn't take that much water, and yeah, that's about it. It's like a plain white rice to eat with shrimp and beef, and I'll make a salad next. Okay guys, so now what I'm gonna do to make the salad is gonna peel this pepino, and I'm gonna cut up some lettuce so then they can have a little bit of salad to eat with their food when they want to eat. Like my daughter, she'll eat it with tahini and lemon. I'll eat some with ranch, like some lettuce and some cucumber. And my husband maybe will eat some, but I'm trying to get him to eat more salad, so that's why I make them. That's why I make it, so that if he sees it, he'll eat it, because he doesn't eat a lot of vegetables. That's ready, and then when I serve them I can put some in their plate. So that's what that looks like. Okay, I hope you guys like this. Try it. It's easy to make and it's healthy. Okay, and if you have any questions, let me know below and I will answer your questions. All right, have a good day. Bye guys. Bye everybody. Bye friends. Bye family.